In this video, we'll look at using Jamboard as a differentiation tool for my kids. So going back to week 1, I went into the graphic organizers. I made a copy of the Frayer model because that's what I'm going to use today. And now I'm going to make some edits inside of here, inside of my copy. So I'm still going to do the same word, which is rate of change. Okay, so I've changed my graphic organizer to match what I want. And now I'm going to, if you remember, File, download the PNG so that it sits on my desktop so that I can use it when I make my Jamboard. All right, I'm going to go back into the folder where I want it. I'm going to go to New, More, Jamboard. Click on it, hit Create. And this is going to be my Jamboard for Group A. Remember how we turn out stuff to different groups inside of Google Classroom. So let's rename this Frayer for A. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is set the background. Click here, search for that image that I put in, and now my Frayer model is there for them to work from. And I'm good to go. They're going to add everything else using their tools with this group A. So I'm just going to go to Share. I'm going to scroll down till I get down to this. Anyone on the internet can get a link. I'm going to copy the link. Now I'm going to go to my Google Classroom, create an assignment, assign, Frayer, and put some directions in here. And then I'm going to add that link that I just copied. And notice now I can make a copy for every kid. Make a copy for every kid. But because I'm differentiating, I'm going to come into here, uncheck, and only send this to the kids who I want to have the open Jamboard, the one where they start with nothing. Okay? The second time I'm going to go back to that folder, I'm going to make another Jamboard. Create it, do the exact same thing again, but now I'm going to add the titles to the side so that the kids have something to move around for the kids that need that feature built in. So let me get back to where we need to be. We got to definitely name it. All right. And now I'm just going to add some things that the kids will be able to move in. You get the idea. So I'll put everything in here for them and then allow them to be able to move these around when they each make their own copy. So again, I would go to the Share, grab that Share link, go back to Google Classroom and assign it to the kids who need this feature inside of their Frayer model.